For this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows client in your computer. You need to insert your flash drive first, and now restart your computer. Just click and click restarting, and it start again. You can spam delete, and go to boot option and click boost manager. Windows Boost Manager, and click that device, click that and exit, and just wait, and select UEFI. If the computer is on, you need to fill up this option before you next and install, and click the I don't have the product key, and click Windows 10 Home and click next, and just click check and next. Then click the customs and delete all the partitions, and delete that and delete that. After delete, click new and size number and times it to 0.60, which is 572321. Then click apply. Choose the unlocated place and click apply. Next is the partition tree. Next, and you have to wait, just waiting. Once we are done, we need to pull out the flash drive from the port. Then next, and we need to find our country. It's Philippines. Yun, and yes, and click yes again and skip. Then click the I don't have internet. Then fill this out and click next, and just a moment, accept, and just wait. And that's it on how to install Windows client in your computer. Thanks for watching.